Previously on Adayan's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, I guess what did we do on the previous episode? Previously on Adayan's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, we got the move Surf, and we surfed towards Route 118, but I think I should go real quick to pick a Pokemon, but actually my team is good. It'll have to make do. It'll have to make do. Oh, Steven. Hi, Ads. It's me, Steven. We met in a cave near Dewford. Have you met many kinds of Pokemon since I last saw you? Hello. There are many kinds of Pokemon in this wide world of all ours. If you wanted to raise only your favorite, that's fine. That's Jeremy. Perhaps you find it more fun to raise all sorts of Pokemon. As a trainer of Pokemon, what do you think? Of course, it's not any of my business. It would be nice if we were to meet again somewhere. I would be, Steven. You're the best. This tree looks like it can be cut down. Would you like to cut it? Yes, I would. Very much. Is there a double butter here? Nope. I thought there was. This game would find every opportunity to throw a double battle at you. What the hell? So, I'm sorry. Dun, 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 dun. Tato is holding on to the alive. The previous episode, what did we do? Oh, we helped Watson in Mobile to turn on the power plant. Yeah, that's what we had to do, and that's about it. A whole episode to do that. I feel like I can't accomplish something. Yeah, we should switch for that Swallow, because it's a bit of an issue with like 30 HP. Hi, Le Yu. I don't have any move that's effective against the fly type. Double kick. It's gonna be fine. What? And now look at how I'm gonna miss every hit. No, this one is gonna connect, the first one. It didn't. Jinx. My god. Double kick. Hit one time, because I didn't need a double kick because you wouldn't die earlier. Diable to level 32, learning quick attack. Quick attack at level 32, double kick, overheat, bulk up, ember. The body to boost both attack and defense. Never used it, might as well delete it. Dio learn quick attack. I'm clearly not focused by phone. So, there's a Pokeball in there. Bird Pokemon that fly elegantly in the sky. They're the best. Which typing is strong against? I'm sorry. S in the chat. Not just sorry, I'm dying. When do you learn Giga Drain? I think Giga Drain you only get by TM. You don't actually get to learn it. Yes, I just did sneeze, so you could just say bless you, and we're all gonna forget about this. We can do that, can't we? Corona qui fait depuis drac. Oh, note to self, I did a song about that. I crashed. Shit. Look, I ate spicy. I just had spicy food, and I'm not doing brown people very brown. This is Velocity, boys. From tomorrow, we're gonna hold my eulogy. Ah, should be happy. You're seeing me from a distance. You're not getting the virus directly. Do you think that if I got sent to the quarantine, no, the quarantine centers or hospitals, I could keep streaming? To be considered. Photo. Are you Maggie? I feel high. I don't know why. Why am I feeling like lightheaded? Like I had a space brownie or something. My confidence will get a boost by beating someone obviously strong. That's me, but you're not beating me, girl. This is my awesome bug Pokemon. My big brother got it for me. Cool Trainer Jasmine and Bug Catcher Davis want to battle. Cool Trainer Jasmine. Jasmine. Fucking name your kids with real names, alright? Ooh. Well. But Pinsir won't be much affected by that surf. At least maybe Absol will die. No, that's good damage. I'll take it. Sword Death. No, nothing bad's gonna happen again. Absol is my buddy. Are you fucking kidding me? Just when I use that Absorbent Pinsir. Great. Yeah, again in the yellow. At least Pinsir is dead. That's a plus. Excellent. Guys, do you think my hair is actually growing? Because I feel like it is. Also, what day is it today? I don't have a notion of days anymore. There's not gonna be, if tomorrow is Wednesday, there ain't gonna be a video because I'm back to working on scripted videos or other videos that I'm actually preparing. So the next one will be on Saturday. So, but it's gonna be a good one and it's gonna be in English. So already, if you're gonna be like, I don't get it, why the fuck are you talking in English? Well, N-word, I am, cause I'm going international, bish. And also when I'm speaking English, I get to be closer to my actual sense of humor. When I'm doing these videos, it's not the real me. You do get that, right? That it's a bit of a persona, not completely, but a bit of a persona. When I do speak in English, though, it's a bit closer to who I am. My hair is now how he was, Jeremy. Jeremy did cut his hair last year. Was it last year or very early this year? I don't know. He did cut his hair and I mocked him. My name is not Mo because I'm not from The Simpsons. I know I'm a bit of a simp, but hey, I was wondering, are you a bad bitch? 100%, Sydney. 100%. Yeah, I got man problem. That's the woman in me. Bling bling. Bitch. You could have had a bad bitch. No. Yeah, is it that? You could have had a bad bitch. Non-committal. Help you with your career. Just a little. You're supposed to hold me down. But you're holding me back. And that's the sound of me not calling you back. Huh. Any jokes today, Sydney? Well, that wasn't really a joke. That was more of like bullying. Because my fans, if I know my followers, I don't say fans. Earlier, I was talking to a friend. She's Kenyan. Jeremy will know her. She's my only friend from there. Jeremy will know who I'm talking about. You wouldn't, others. And she told me something. She was like, "Did you know I met with what's his name, Burna Boy?" And I was like, I never get hyped by celebrities. I never got that. It's not something I don't find another human being and be like, maybe if I met Dave Chappelle, I don't think I would be like that. Like that's one thing that's not a persona. And I just put that on my story recently. It was like, to me everything is cringe, and I'm always reacting like I'm always shrugging off everything. Like, so what? Who cares? And she was like, yeah, we met Burna Boy. She was outside of his car and she did a video and stuff, and she did show me that, and I was like, all right. I was like, I am the closest I've ever been to a celebrity. Such a cuntish thing to say, isn't it? But I am the closest I've ever been to a celebrity. It's not true. It's just that I don't care. I don't fucking care at all. Well, your cousin Tessa, Sydney, what's your last name? Because your cousin, I bet, has the same last name as you do. That would only make sense. Jesus, never time to paralyze right now. So I don't have much to fight a poison type Pokemon. Plus your defense just fell, so the next move was gonna kill you, but it killed it. Him? No, that's a female Gloom. I smell the bitter scent of misery. I'm in the business of... Oh wow, who is Bernie Boy? Bernie Boy is it's a gay term, you know? Like when you talk about weed, you say you burn, right? When you're burning a boy, means that you're smoking him off. So I would know because I'm... So this is the third viewer that was watching without chatting. Yeah, like I think the peak of view age was like 5 people, but not everybody participated, but that's fine. But actually, I think that I've got an engaging, is it how I can call it, fan base. I should right now go back to Moville, because I'm very low on health. And that's very bad, because there's going to be a pretty important battle very soon. Why man great till they gotta be great? Don't, 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 don't text me, tell it straight to my face. I don't remember the rest. Lizzo is bearable. Barely. I was saying something just before. Yeah, but I'm a celebrity, bitches. Yeah, the next video is gonna be on Saturday. I might shoot it on Thursday because I'm yet to complete the script, and hopefully it's good. I think it's gonna be. It's again gonna be different. I don't think I've ever done 2D videos that are exactly the same. No, I can't say that. I have a whole series on ASMRs. Don't I? It's just that they're all different in like the topics. What's your favorite ASMR that I did? Little quiz for y'all. Leave Blade. Leave that bitch. For Wingle faded. I just want to power. I'm not gonna lie. I want to power through this game so I can keep on playing PokeMMO. Playing online is so much fun. Well, it's not just that. It's just that you know how everyone who plays Pokemon always wishes for one thing. There's just one thing. Where you could fuck rods. No, that's not that. But one thing we all wish for is to actually have general Pokemon game, not general but massive Pokemon game where everything is playable. So on one version you would have all regions. PokeMMO is the closest you'll have to that. Although till now it's only like the first 5 gens, but still pretty good. I'm in Kanto and I just purchased Pokemon. Whoa, what the fuck? You're a grass type. You should not be holding that well. It's raining and you're also a... Yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's not worth fighting that thing, is it? What I'm gonna do is use Overheat. Sweet scent. So my evasiveness... Yeah, fell. C'est mon problème aussi. I think it was pretty good. Listens to La Gloire from the Prophecy Whiteley. That was pretty good. Not gonna kid myself. Pretty funny. I'm pretty funny. If I may say so myself. While Tropius fainted. Only for free to... Oh! Oh yeah, I switched Pokemon. Yeah, forgot. Stop running! Wow! I have to chase someone so we can battle. Wow. Stop fucking running. Why are you running? Bugcatcher Ken would like to battle. Bugcatcher Ken, send out Ninjask. Yeah, bug types, so there's no winning if I use Leaf Blade. Is there? Let's try Pursuit. Well, you're just bug and flying. Ooh, okay. That wasn't too bad. Plus, you're gonna give me a free hit. One more level and course will evolve, but I like some Pokemon in my party. I would still require a dragon, I guess Salamander, because I'm not gonna catch or at least use Rayquaza for the Elite Four. But I also don't know you. Yeah, you don't know me, so you don't have to talk to me like this, weirdo. You know, these kids who like bugs. Volbeat, and the next one will be Elemize. So inventive. Let's go with the Pursuit. Sydney, why are you talking about your coochie right now? Why are you doing that? It's a public platform. It's a Christian chat. Could you respect the other fans and be like decent with them? This is a Christian live stream, please. Respect everybody's belief in not having sex before marriage. Like, who does that? Yes, I'm extremely rude towards religious people. I don't know why. Can't wait for my hair to be back. It's fucking weird because I do have that bad habit. I don't know if that's a bad habit. I do that often. I just be like, but there's nothing to, is there? How do I call my fans? Who's calling me now? Sorry. My sister. No. That's a strong nope from me. How do I call my fans? Retards. That's the easiest. Because to be able to laugh at my sense of humor, you gotta be pretty fucking dumb. Or super smart, you know, like Rick and Morty level. How about toxic fan base? For Elemize. Gilo Vital. Excuse me, Sydney. Vital is repackaged or rebottled tap water. I'm kidding, Vital. If you want to get me to do sponsorship, I'm kidding. So you finally meet. My bug Pokemon would keep you company. Do you mean you're gonna bury me or something and let the bugs eat me out? Why are they so intense? Wurmple. It's gonna be great. Another 2 hour long fight. Let me guess, after that you get Cascoon or Duskoon, and they're just gonna use Hardened. Pursuit does good damage, bro. Please don't be poisoned. I can't spare to go back and forth between Moville and here. It's a bit of a stretch. Not really a stretch, but you know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you because you're so close to evolving. I'm not gonna waste that chance. And afterwards, we're gonna have Dio, Evolve, Evolve, Evolve. I never tasted Dasani. I don't know if it tastes good. Again, I'm not gonna shit on it just in case. I saw yesterday that Vidai Cafe followed me on Instagram and I was like, well, I don't really drink coffee, but morning sun, yeah, it gives you life back. Great. Can bet your ass I'm a sellout. KFC calls me like this. Yeah, I just learned how to snap. Who's? Wow, Beautyfly is holding on to the alive. But an existential question: would I go for McDonald's if they called me instead of KFC? It's gotta be a big check. That's all I can say. Why click? My bad. Dio gain 360 something. Sorry, again. I am not being focused on beating these useless Okay, that's a bit harsh. Dun, 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 da, 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 dun. Congratulations, your course evolved into Sceptile. Doesn't learn anything? Alright. I'm gonna switch you for Dio now, because I think we can make him evolve on the same route, or close. Go Dio. It is raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining, raining. What song is that? Umbrella, right? From Rihanna. If you step forward, we step forward. If you turn right, we turn too. Yeah? I hope we can beat that gym leader today, but I don't think so, because I think there is a side quest just before that. I should stop guessing, because I never played this game before, and it's totally not my favorite Pokemon game that I played around 15 times. Not kidding. My laptop is an Asus. I don't know what Asus it is. My graphics card is a GTX 980. That's what I know, but it's like my laptop is 5 years old. So it's about time to get a new one, because I also do my editing on it. I don't know what happened, but my Vegas Pro completely died. It's not letting me edit anything now. So I had to start learning Premiere. I think I said that earlier, in another video I mean. And although it's a learning curve, Premiere Pro, this thing is fantastic. Adobe Suite is fantastic, just fantastic. I don't have a word for it except for it's fantastic. But learning curve, right? I would say, Sydney, that my laptop is a bit older than me, with our respect. I got the sense of humor of a 3-year-old. 3 years old. English, do you speak it, motherfucker? No, there's no running. Of course there's no running. I was trying to get Dio to get back, because, like, what's the point? The XP is already gonna be shared now. Moves like whirlwind, fucking annoying. If I use double kick, do you think that's gonna do damage? Another move that I can't wait to like get rid of, double kick. I mean, it was helpful, but it's time for us to put. We really need to get a new laptop. Please connect and just kill that thing. It's a Dustox, it's a bug Pokemon. And it's also fuck you. Diavolo was dragged out. How does it make sense? You turn on a whirlwind, I get it, but how can you use a Pokeball that's in my pocket? Why am I trying to make sense with this video game? Cascoon, at least you don't have whirlwind, do you? Like Maniac, tear us out. Rain continues to fall. It's raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining. It's super effective, but I'm kind of running low on HP. No, it's fine. Can take it. What the fuck is that noise? Why is someone blasting music right now? Are we allowed to go out? I don't know why, but things feel like they just got normal now. Like, we're supposed to be like this. It's how we live now. So when I hear this, and I was glad that for a while I didn't hear any car driving by with music blasting, when I hear this, I'm particularly irked. Because, like, what the fuck? First off, you're not allowed to be out, plus you're polluting my air. Do all of you all go to university? Well, I technically do, don't I, Jeremy? Yep, you finally caught me. Or were you trying to avoid me? A bit of both. When I see straight white men, that's kind of what I do. You send out Ninkada, and thankfully have Dio running up first. It is raining, raining. Also, guys, let me know if you want me to stream PokeMMO once I'm done with this Emerald, but I don't think actually PokeMMO is streamable. I don't think so. Nah, no, I don't think it's streamable at all. Well, we ain't going anywhere anymore, but I'm finishing my third year. Jeremy, yes. For now, we are gonna be home. I get pissed when people come at me and are like, in 2 weeks we're gonna take over lockdown completely. It's sure that the government just said that yeah, I have a contact. I heard someone say, yeah, I know a friend of a friend who knows, And they said that it's gone now. Now we're gonna be back because it's positive now. Shut the fuck up. Things are looking up, true, but look at, for example, South Korea and Hong Kong. Things were looking up, and then they were like, okay, you can go back to work, and shit hit the fan again. Thankfully, again, they could take care of it, but we should not underestimate the impact of this thing. Again, don't be scared, be concerned. Everybody, chill. What are you studying, Sydney? Go deal. It's raining, raining. Bicycle skate and bubble beam. What? Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot. Skate also has water. Yeah. Yep, yep. Great. Fucking Surskit. I'm gonna make you fall asleep. We ain't better than China. We can't like think with how small we are that it's gonna be good from one day to the other. I hear people say that, yeah, at any point in time the government can just be like, yeah, you go back to work. No. And no, that's not how it works. Damn, how young are you, Lemmy? You're a child. I use that yawn for nothing. Computer science. Oh, that's great. I don't know why you had to use the touching tips emoji. Are you into ducking? Do you know what ducking is? Interesting thing to learn about. That's okay, there's a lady over there, but it's like the crazy cat lady. That's a crazy Wingull lady. I heard about a cave called the Cave of Origin. People remember that the spirits of Pokemon are revived there. Could something like that really happen? Well, stay tuned. You're not Kus Papa. Well, I'm not Kus Papa either. I don't plan on being a papa ever. I thought you fly by catching a whole flock of bird Pokemon and then hanging on to them somehow. But it turns out there's an HM move called Fly. I wish I'd known about that a long time ago. Why? It seems like you try that, my dude. Well, I am a Kus Papa, I guess, because I'm like your daddy to you all, ain't I? No, it's not how it works. What the fuck are you talking about? More like Kus Grand-Père. Like Jeremy did say the other day, I'm kind of a boomer. And I forgot to heal up. Fuck. Because yeah, she's got a gloom. And what do we have to counter that? Cars. It's not gonna do a great job. You're concerned about how I know what? Just gonna laugh it off. Cars is paralyzed and can't move. I feel like we're gonna faint. Here and now. Acid. Gloom. Kill me with the acid. I knew the dragons were gonna take me someday. Go away, CDC. Big F. Big F incoming. Because I didn't take the fucking time to just go and heal the fuck up. Okay, let's try and make it sleep. And wish for the best. ACDC made the best. The best. Guys, but do you think I should switch to Twitch? Because I feel like Twitch is a better platform to stream on. I kind of want to try that. I want to like stream like actually it's better if I faint here because I don't have to surf back and go through the tall grass again. I just get teleported to the Lost Pokemon Center. But there's something I should try and do is go and find that Crodont. Gloom is sleeping. That's our chance. What move would work? I guess Bite? That wasn't fucking fantastic. I was saying something just a minute ago and I forgot, didn't I? Yeah, rather use bite. Rain continues to fall. I think we're gonna make it, unfortunately, because then we won't get teleported. Yeah, we're gonna make it. What about chat? I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop at the word chat. Oh my god, she's got it full. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't catch a break in this game. How do I know about that word? Good question. Good question. Of course, I should build a big fan base, but I don't care about anything. Shit, now I'm asleep. Oh, fuck! I don't even care about having a big fan base, I just care about doing what I like. If people follow or not. Lucky you're a dog type, you shouldn't be allowed to sleep. Mischief is not done while sleeping. Yeah, it's not gonna be enough because that fucking acid. Yep, big F. Big F. Because Diavolo will be able to beat that Gloom. No big issue with that, but I don't know what's gonna be the next Pokemon, but it's definitely gonna be a Grass type again, so fuck. Fuck me. I mean, I'm not asking, I'm just saying. Just do it. Roselia. Hopefully she doesn't have Giga Drain and take down, bitch. Hey, hey! That was lucky, wasn't it? Lucky like my dog. Player defeated Ranger Catherine. Accidents happen when you're not prepared. Why am I reading as if I'm a boomer? Do you have one? Let's register each other. Good, great, fantastic, Kath. I'm sure there's someone at the... Okay, there's nobody. There was someone here. What the fuck do I do? It's too far to go back there. Let's fucking power through it. Who has the knowledge and the technique for survival? Pokemon Rangers, that's who. Chill, Pokemon Rangers. You have a TSA of a Pokemon world. Nobody cares. Breloom, shit. Shit. Breloom has a double type advantage of me. Gross, which is like 4 times advantage actually. And fighting, which also works a lot. I should have used takedown, but if I use takedown, I'm gonna lose some health too, so... Ooh! Wow, my Diavolo is a beast! Big dick energy. Very big dick energy. Huge penis. Diavolo can learn delete a move to make room for. Foresight will actually help in negating somebody trying to evade. But thanks Jeremy for moderating my own sister's comment. 95. And it's a water type instead of a ground type. But this reduces... I don't know. I'm gonna take Ultimate Shot. Because if you kill them dead, you're 10 levels above and you're surprised you're beating Pokemon. Pokemon is just the most intricate game of rock, paper, scissors. So even if you're 10 levels above, for example, the 84, you can be 10 levels above them, they don't care. I hope you'll give me a rematch without mocking my lack of knowledge. If you don't have a good counters for them, they don't fucking care. I'm gonna beat you into oblivion. Can't do that, that's a double battle. Shit. Do I have a revive? I remember using one once, and I didn't pick any until, yeah, didn't pick any between then and now. So I'm gonna have to go through the grass like a mad lad. When I speak in English, people find it weird because I wouldn't say it's the accent, I would say it's the slang I use. It's pretty odd. I just thought about I was talking to my Kenyan friend and shit, there's still a dude over there. You know what? Let's go and fight these two bitches. It is raining. I'm not gonna fight this Oddish just in case it makes me faint. If I die against that, die. If I faint against the trainers, I'm fine. If I do so against an Oddish, a wild Oddish, yeah, that's something you could do. You can cut the toll boss. Just some more knowledge for you. You're welcome. I'm so not arsed with fighting anything wild right now. Okay, now we can make it. I'm a bit too pretentious, some would say. Go Diavolo. Let's see how it works. Wherever and whenever I may be. Whenever. I always have my parasol in hand. Oh, so they have you fight one after the other if you only have one Pokemon eligible. Not eligible, but available. Shit. One water pulse and we are done for, aren't we? Actually, I want to be teleported back because I need to get back. Plus, this is not even gonna connect. Oh, it's a water type. I was confused. A grass type will get us, but a water type will just be like, it's gonna be a stalemate because it's not gonna be a stalemate by any means, is it? How can my Diavolo be so strong? I'm trying to think. Oh, but that's not fair. Yeah, it's not fair. Life isn't fair. Suck it. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting to fight the gym. So since you can sing like Shakira, I guess you can move like her too. You know my hips don't lie. Is that Shakira? Yes, it is. I'll show you the true potential of me and my bird Pokemon. You know, when I was around 16 and recently streamed down to the size, I was still a bit fatter than, no, not 16, like around 18, 19, where I got that shape that I'm in right now. When I finally slimmed down for real, I went to take a blood test and the doctor came to me. I have to tell you, I've always been eating like shit. The doctor and never exercise. And the doctor came to me and was like, wow, you're such in good shape. You must be very athletic. What do you do? Because like your results are excellent. Your body fat is like close to inexistent. And I was like, I have no clue how. Because I eat like trash. Damn, I'm gonna kill everything. I don't know what the difference. Oh, they give you muddy water just so you have your own version of surf if you don't want to use surf. Is it? The Pokeball in the wild. Someone must have dropped that. That's a hyper potion. No way I can return that now. Shit. We're gonna fight everyone. It's sad because it's XP wasted. The vast sky holds untold promise. Nothing can compare to the sheer exhilaration of flight. Yeah, I guess terrorists had that. Not terrorists, plain hijackers, okay? Let's be PC about it. It is raining, raining. I never knew that you could really dance like this, hey! I'm I'm just gonna one-shot everything, ain't I? For Wingull fainted. Diablo gained 342. Shit. Double tapping efficiency. Flying is strong against water, and Gross is strong against water, and that is if you get to hit me. Tropius, yes. And that's the F, guys. Finally! Was kinda was hoping to be beat. White it out. No, I'm never gonna white out. It's not something I'm planning to do. Let's try and catch that cobfish. Huh? Da, 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 da. A Wynote! Wynote hatch from the egg. Here's something I'm gonna throw into the PC, because I'm never gonna use a Wynote. I low-key just got my ass served. Cloud has grown by 4, Trapinch has grown by 3. Fine, I won't be using any of you, I think. Let's drop you, because yeah, Trapinch, not Trapinch, Wynote got insane HP and what's the other thing? And defense, but all the rest is trash. Slow as fuck, not powerful. Is that Route 118? Verdant Turf. Route 117. Where is 118? Again, missing that. 7, 6. Oh no, it is 7, right? I okay boomered that the other day, didn't I? Let's go into the middle of this. Meme review from Reddit, Instagram, Facebook. I was planning on doing a meme review and then I decided on doing that video that I'll do this week. So a meme review will be coming. Maybe I should just start a subreddit so you can send me words. I can't find them. So you can send me memes to review, because else it's just gonna be me going to all dank memes and scrolling down. I want to see what you crazy ass retarded people feel I should be doing. My god, why is that good rod not working? I just want one cobfish, I don't need more than this. Pokemon's on a hook. Please be a cobfish and let me be done. Fucking trash Pokemon. Magikarp, but trash Pokemon. Not even an Eba. Still nothing. I think today we're gonna accomplish nothing in this playthrough. Yes! Now to not kill it. Wild cobfish appeared. Ember. Jesus, cobfish. Didn't need to be so rude about it. I don't have any STDs. What are you protecting? Use Leah. Please, Ember, don't kill it. Don't burn it either. Yes, good. Ooh, I need to catch it because his special attack is pretty good. Timer ball, no, great ball. Yeah, it's gonna do. Yes. Yoshi. Cobfish was dead. Once it grips prey with its large pincers, it will never let go, no matter what. It is a hardy Pokemon that can thrive in any environment. Cobfish, Ruffian Pokemon. Ah, Ads, this is Miguel. How are things with you? I tried to catch a wild Poochyena earlier but managed to flee. I feel defeated. It's a Poochyena. You'll find like 10 million of them. Should heal that cold fish and then head on to wherever fuck I was heading on. I'm definitely not doing a gym today. Thank you for waiting. We restored your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. Goldfish will be useful against the Elite Four, and I also need to get Ice Beam and Blizzard. Both I'm gonna teach to my Diavolo. No, I'm not gonna get both. Wait, what the fuck am I talking about? I'm gonna get one of them. Blizzard. And Ice Beam, I'll have to see if any other Pokemon can learn that. Why did you activate Bixby? I said Ice Beam. Why can't I just keep a fucking Wingull? And here we run. Okay. That's why I'm gonna yell whenever we're gonna go through a grass patch. Bye bye, Udish. Well, to be honest, it's just Ember, so I must not be. Hopefully, I get a berry or a poison antidote. Yes, antidote. That's what you use. Okay, before we move, let's just save the berries. Paralysis, poisoning. I got 2 of these. It's gonna be fine. Bike, where are you? Ah! Okay. Is this the guy who beat me? Yes, that is the guy who beat me. Shit, he starts with a Wingull, doesn't he? I'm gonna have to switch. That's from the start of this fight. Birdkeeper, you. That's weird how in English you just say Yug, you say you. Like Hugh Jackman. Sorry. Goodbye, Lumi. Seems like internet is still pretty crap. Well, Mighty did say they repaired it, so who am I to believe my ISP? What does mist do? Became shrouded in mist. I think when you cover yourself with mist, you can't be inflicted with anything. But death is not a thing you can prevent. And I am deaf. Dio grew to level 34. Still good. Cause gain 171. And you're gonna send Tropius. So I'm gonna have Dio just use that overheat so we can just be done with this masquerade. But use now Tropius. Rain continues to fall. That's why my attacks are not hitting that hard too, I guess. For rain. That's why I need an umbrella. Ella. Tropius, you're kind of a rare Pokemon. You should give more than... Okay, 904. I'm gonna shut up. Ooh, double battle. Ho ho ho, I like kid trainers. Okay, let's have a good one. If you're not on your guard, you're in for some pain. Nope, not a good matchup, I guess. But it's fine. It is raining, raining. If it's raining, Slugma should be dying. Does overheat? No. That would be stupid. It's not as if it was gonna do something. Because Sceptile is a pure grass type, so it's better if I actually switch. I was gonna use Ember on a Pokemon made of flames. I'm a genius, ain't I? King of retards. Slug my dick. With my hair being cut that short, plus with a moustache and the start of a beard, my mouth is even bigger. Okay, maybe don't try that again, Adria. Pretty fucking odd. I like doing myself. Coughing. Coughing, the lung cancer Pokemon. I'm gonna do a quick attack on... No, not you! I'm coughing, and I'm gonna do muddy water. No, Surf. Surf has more PP. Unlike me. Kill the date when a Ninja Boy Takashi were defeated. You're pretty amazing, ho ho ho. You're surprisingly good. Why do I have to turn into Santa when I do this? Found one elixir. Ah! Why are you blocking the road? What is this building? Weather Institute. Alright. I hope it's not like the Martian Weather Institute who can't predict shit. Why are there so many people here? Yes. While I was sleeping, everyone went upstairs. Really? Can I sleep here? Yeah, I can sleep here. There's also a PC right next to my head. That's great. Could switch Pokemon if I needed to, but I don't. Huh? What's a kid doing here? I took a male voice for that lady. It's a bit rude, but she could be trans. You never know. What's even worse, what I just said. Carvanha. With Dio leading, it's gonna be overheat. Yeah. My SP attack is pretty good. Should one hit? Yes. OHKO. Oh, cool. For Carvanha's, it was an overheat. How I didn't touch you. Hashtag me too. The boss got interested in the research we have going here, so he sent us out. He quit meddling. Why if I don't? Team Aquagrunt would like to battle. Team Aquagrunt and our Zubat. Wow, so much talk for a fucking Zubat. The rats of the skies. Yep, wasn't the best choice of moves. Please don't use wing attack. And you used it. Can't trust you with anything, Zubat. That's why we can't have nice things. Ember, please die. You're dead. You're basic. Maybe I was exaggerating. I thought that I can kill that Puccino. I thought that Coldfish was so strong for being for doing a lot of damage to me. Maybe it's my special defense that's actually pretty bad. Consider that you might be the bad guy. Not really, because we're saving the world in this Pokemon game. Defeated Team Aqua Grunt. And since we don't have a PC, very bad, we're gonna end this episode here today. Thanks for having been with me, guys. It was a pleasure as usual being in your company and stuff like that streamers say. No, I'm not gonna sleep again. Oh my god, it doesn't ask you if you wanna sleep, it just goes like, duh, sleep. But I'm gonna save here and tell you that I'm gonna see you tomorrow, hopefully. Who knows? We'll see. But until then, I think that everybody should keep on taking care, and pretty much always the same thing. There's nothing new I can tell you. Ciao. Sorry, I mean yo.